Yo, what's good, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Jay the Beast Mode. Hey, it's 4th of July. Well, actually, when I'm filming this is the day after 4th of July, because this year we're shooting fireworks after 4th of July. So hey, we're shooting the fireworks regardless though. Bought some from some of the past videos that you guys saw. If you haven't, go check out those fireworks shopping videos now. But today it's the final day. We're getting ready to shoot these fireworks that I bought. It's a special day, man. We wait for this time all year, wait for it every year. So it's about to be a special show today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, let's go light this city up. I'll see y'all soon. Alright, first y'all got this artillery blaster. This is one I bought from Walmart. It's TNT. Got 10 shots of them. So about to do that. And next is Color Pearl, 96 shots. So yeah, about to do these two, light them up.
Back up, back up.
Alright y'all, we got these little smoke sticks I'm about to light, so about to see what we're doing with this. Get my lighter. Alright, we got this next one called X Factor. I think it's about 6 shots, so we're about to light it. This next one called Summer in the Garden. I'm gonna light this one and see. Alright y'all, we got another one called Ice Cube. See right there, 9-shot Ice Cube. So we about to see how this talking. Alright y'all, we got this one called Non-Ball. You can't really see it, but we about to light it. Alright y'all, that's the end of today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed this little firework video. I didn't film the last few fireworks. I wanted to enjoy them, but they were some really good fireworks. So yeah, I think got some good money's worth. Definitely, I think Super Show Marietta probably has the best fireworks with the best deals. So yeah, definitely be going back there tomorrow. If you haven't, go check that video out. I'll link it in the description. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this 4th of July. Hey, until the next 4th of July, I'll probably be back for Labor Day, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all in the next firework vlog. I'm out. I fell in love with the commas.
I fell in love with the digits. I wanna eat bitty honey. Back then, one in the Civic. Now